Hi guys, welcome to today's video. This is how to create a soft filled in brow. I start off by combing through my brows. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite bronzer from Smashbox. And I've tried many brushes, but I always go back to this brush from Nudestix. It is the liner brush. This shade is perfect if you have a natural red tint to your hair and freckles. This shade and tone of bronzer goes perfectly with my warm skin tone. Powder is very forgiving, so if you mess up just like I did, it's no big deal. This brow is shaped very differently from my right brow. So what I do is I make sure to fill in this area right here. That way it's not shaped completely round, unlike this side. If I didn't fill in this area right here, this brow would be very thin and very long for my face. This brow is also much more sparse than my right brow, and that's very normal. It's also very normal for your brow and your hair to go through stages. This brow used to be a lot more sparse, and this brow used to be a lot more full and filled in. You can see this is the area I am making sure is very bronzed, and I'm also going to make sure this area is very bronzed in order for it to not appear too thin. And here they are filled in with a shade that complements my skin tone and my hair color. And that is how to create a soft filled in brow.